I was a baby raging little bitch. Well, I'm not baby rager now. I have not broken a single thing in like 5 or 6 years. I think everyone is a reformed toxic gamer to some extent. Now the severity it depends, but we all go through trials and tribulation. Eventually you level out. I'm so good now. I'm so good now. Was this, did I get it? Was this wrong? What the fuck is this stupid bullshit? Go. Stop falling over, you dumb bitch! E-I-O. Oh, you dumb bitch! Do better! Go fuck your... Fuck! Fuck your fuck! I win. Alright, no intrusive thoughts. I can't kill anybody. I love pushing people off on this map. It's so funny. But I always end up killing myself, so I'm just not gonna do it. Except for this one time. I give up. I give up. I give up. I yield. I yield. I yield. I yield. I yield. Stop. 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 I can't let go now. We're in a perpetual state of motion. Jesus, Bettel, get it together! You dumb fucker! Oh, my monitor just turned off and I hit the... Okay, we're not... You know what? That's okay. We're not gonna hit anything. I'm not toxic. I'm not toxic. A bunch of fucking... Did Grandpa come back or did he still die? Guys, I've become Grandpa, okay? Can't do the Grandpa voice. You gotta catch me in the morning.
Whoa!